Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can add comment photo on a TikTok post, and I recommend watching till the very end. Alright, let's begin. First things first, open up your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure your TikTok is updated to its latest version available. Next up, open up the app and choose the post you'd like to comment a photo on. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a random scroll. Alright, so I think that looks decent. Then, you're gonna go and open up the comments section. Since it's a new feature, till now it's just working with replies, but hopefully in the next updates, we'll get this with its full access. Now, to comment a photo, you just need to hold on any of the comments you'd like to reply with a photo, and then choose reply with a video. Once you do that, this will open up your camera and allow you to record or click a photo or video. And you can also select random photos from your gallery by clicking this upload button. Here I'm going to be selecting a random picture from my phone's gallery. Then just remove the song and delete the comment and post it. Once it gets done, now if I go and check out the comments again, you can see the uploaded photo has been added as a comment. And that's basically how you can comment a photo on a TikTok post. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.